Hi student, this is Kumar. 12th Standard Business Mathematics and Statistics, Chapter number 7. Probability Distributions. Let's start with the binomial distribution. Bi means 2. So binomial distribution was discovered by James Bernoulli. So another name Bernoulli's distribution. Some examples of Bernoulli trials are tossing of a coin. Will be getting either head or tail. Two chances. That is the meaning of bi. Throwing of a die, will be getting either even number or odd number. Two chances. Here binomial distribution. Here is a formula. Probability capital X equal to X, that is equal to P of X equals NCX into P power X into Q power N minus X. X can take the values 0 to N. Here Q, that is equal to 1 minus P. Small p represents probability of success, small q represents probability of failure, and small n represents number of trials. Here small x represents number of successes. Okay. In binomial distribution, mean formula is NP and variance is NPQ. At the same time, variance is less than mean. Even we can say mean is greater than variance. Now we can get into that exercise 7.1. 7.1 problem number 6. A small correction in that question. The new textbook it is given correctly, it seems. The old textbook it was given 10 items. Now you change it to 20 items. 20 items, not 10, 20. 5% of the items produced turned out to be defective. Then find out the probability that out of 20 items selected at random, there are exactly 3 defective, at least 2 defective, exactly 4 defectives. Find the mean and variance. Here you are asked to find out the defective items. It should be considered as success. So that this 5% should be considered as success, because what is given here, defective percentage is given. So 5% is success, means what about the failure? 95%. So n, that is equal to 20, number of items, number of trials, that is equal to 20, right? Here in problem number 6, capital X represents the random variable, capital X represents defective items. Small p, that is equal to 5%, that is given 5 by 100, that is equal to 0.05. Q, that is the probability of failure formula 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 0.05, that is equal to 0.95. So number of trials, that is equal to 20. Now write the formula for binomial distribution. Binomial distribution probability of capital X equal to X, that is equal to NCX into P power X into Q power N minus X, and X can take the values 0 to N. Now subdivision number 1. Exactly 3 defective. Look at that, exactly 3 defective items. So probability of X is equal to 3, exactly 3. Now small x value is 3. Now you can substitute n value, you know, that is 20. C, x value is 3, p value that is equal to 0.05, power x, x value is 3, then q that is equal to 0.95, power n minus x, n value is 20, x value is 3, 20 minus 3 that is equal to 17. You can directly write. Now 20C3, you know that how to find the value of 20C3, start with the 20, keep on reducing 1, 20 into 19 into 18 only, because we have 3 suffix, 3 in the suffix, so 3 numbers in the numerator. Since we have 3, write 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1, into 0.05 power 3, that is equal to 0.000125 into 0.95 power 17, means you have to multiply 0.95 for 17 times. If you multiply, you will be getting 0.4181. You can make it on the calculator. Now divide by 3 table, how many times? 6 times. Here divide by 2 table, here 10 times. 10 into 19 into 6 equals 10 into 19 into 6, that is equal to 1140 into 0.0000125 into 0.4181. If you multiply everything, you will be getting the value 0.0595 7925. That is equal to 0.059. It can be rounded up to 4 decimal places. So look at that, fifth digit. If it is 5 or more than 5, you can add 1 with the previous digit. So since we have 7, just 5 become 5 plus 1, 6. You just write approximately. That is subdivision number 1 over. Now subdivision number 2. At least 2 defectives. Look at that. At least 2 defectives. Subdivision number 2. Probability of at least 2 defective items equals, for at least a symbol is greater than or equal to, we have 2, greater than or equal to 2 equals, greater than or equal to 2 means 2 to 20, because you are given here x that is equal to 0 to n. This is a small x value. Small x value 2 means 2 to 20, because we have greater than or equal to. 2 to 20, 18 values are there. For finding all the 18 values, we can apply the property, very useful property here. Probability of x greater than or equal to a can be written as 1 minus probability of x less than a. So this can be written as 1 minus probability of x less than 2. Less than 2, what are all the numbers? Only 2 numbers. What are they? 0 and 1. You just find probability of x equal to 0 and probability of x equal to 1. That is equal to 1 minus probability of x equals 0 plus probability of x equal to 1. Add these two. Equals 1 minus. We have x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. We know the formula NCX. N that is 20, CX. P value 0.05 power x value 0, then q value 0.95 power n minus x. N minus x is 20 minus n value 20, x value 0. 20 minus 0 is 20 plus. Here x value is 1. Formula NCX, that is 20C1. P value, q value. P value 0.05, q value 0.95. Here power x, here x value 1. Here n minus x, 20 minus 1 is 19. Now we have to simplify. That is equal to 1 minus NC0 value 1. Therefore it is 1. I write over here. Since NC0 that is equal to NCN that is equal to 1 only. Remember. Therefore 20C0 that is equal to 1. Anything power 0 equals 1. You just write 0.95 power 20 plus. 20C1 that is equal to 20, because NC1 that is equal to n. Then 0.05 into 0.95 power 19. Now we have to simplify. So between these two you can take 0.95 power 19 as common. Between these two, which one is least? 0.95 power 19. So write 1 minus 0.95 power 19 into, if we take 0.95 power 19 as common, one more 0.95 will be there. 0.95 into 1 that is equal to 0.95 plus, so we have taken 0.95 power 19 as common, these two will be there. 20 into 0.05 that is equal to 1. You can make so the calculator 1 only. That is equal to 1 minus 0.95 power 19 that is equal to 0.3774. Approximately you can write 0.3774. You have to multiply 0.95 for how many times? 19 times. 0.3774. I have taken only 4 digits after the decimal point. If we add these two, you will be getting 1.95. 1.95 into 0.3774. By using the calculator, you can get 0.7359. So 1 minus 0.7359. If we subtract, we will be getting 0.26407. 0.26407. So that is equal to 0.264. Since it is more than 5, can add 1 with the previous digit, that is 1. So there will be a slight variation in that decimal part. Of it is sometimes we'll be getting 2642. That is also correct because I have taken only 4 digits over here. There will be a slight change in the decimal part here. Okay, that is also correct only. I write over here 0.2642. This is a book answer. Both correct only. Now, subdivision number 3. Subdivision number 3, that is exactly 4 defectives. Look at the question here. Exactly 4 defectives. So probability of exactly 4, this is a value of x. Now NCX, that is 20CX, p value, q value, p value 0.05, this is 0.95, here power 4, here 20 minus 4 is 16 because here x, here n minus x, x value 4, n minus x 16 because 20 minus 4 equals 16. That is equal to 20C4 can be simplified 20 into 19 into 18 into 17. 4 numbers 20, 20 minus 1, 19 minus 1 and 18 minus 1 because we have 4 in here. So write 4 factorial in the denominator. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 0.05 power 4, that is equal to 0.5 zeros followed by 625 into 0.95 power 16, that is equal to 0.440127. 0.440127. Here you can simplify 4 table 5 times, 3 table 6 times, then 2 table 3 times equals, if you multiply everything, if you multiply 5 into 19 into 3 into 17 is 4845 into 0.5 zeros followed by 625 into 0.440127. If you multiply everything, you will be getting 0.0133, 0.0133, 27595. It can be written as 0.0133. Just I have taken 4 decimal places. After that decimal point, I have taken 4 digits. You just write approximately. Now the last subdivision, that is subdivision number 4, is find the mean and variance. That is the 4th subdivision, mean and variance. Mean, that is equal to formula NP, N that is equal to 20, P that is equal to 0.05. 20 into 0.05, that is equal to 1. Now variance. Variance formula MPQ, N value 20, P value 0.05 and Q value is 0.95. If you multiply these two, you will be getting 1. 1 into 0.95, that is equal to 0.95. So all the 4 subdivisions of problem number 1 are completed. Then I will be teaching the problem number 7 in the next video. Thank you, children.